Hey y'all, so this is the most anticipated video since that Glenna video. Y'all have been asking me, girl, where's his hair? Where's his hair? I can't find it. Baby, I got you. She is from their new True Frontal series. She is in the style Peak 701 and she is in the color Ginger. So straight out the pack, this is what she is giving. So the details about this unit: she is glueless. She comes with a Vanish HD transparent lace. This is a 13x6 lace frontal. She is deeper and she is wider, and she does come with a pre-shaped widow's peak. She comes in a variety of colors. Of course, she comes in that ginger color, jade blue, deep burgundy, chocolate swirl, 1B2. She is 26 inches. I am 4'8". I am under 5 feet, so 26 inches might fall different on me versus you. You can use heat on her up to 400 degrees. As y'all can see, I'm going in, plucking her anyways because I love to customize my unit. When a wig is good, just like when the food is good, baby, I'm gonna dance. So I was debating between a side part and a middle part. Once you comb out this unit, the hair is so full. And with it being so full and so long, she is 26 inches, baby. We already know the formula over here. Long plus synthetic equals tangles. So she gonna tangle up, y'all. I advise y'all to get y'all a good wig brush, a good wide tooth comb. So boom, the first mistake I did not cut the lace. I needed to cut the lace in sections. With you sectioning off the lace, you are actually making the lace sit precisely where you need it to sit. If it's a little too snug on you, you cutting it in sections helps I think I packed on too much of the foundation where it kind of made the lace a little bit darker. In my opinion, this is where I break my heart, y'all. I literally heard the hair crunch and I'm like, yep, I cut it. I cut the wig. So it's like at this point, you just got to keep going. You got to keep going. The pros and cons that I did have with this unit, the pros is that widow's peak. If you want to customize it more, you can. You have so much pardon space, so you can create any type of style you want. I love this color. When I seen that hair model on the stock card, I'm like, baby, she looks good. I do love how blendable the lace was. I like how they come in different colors. This unit is under $50. So the cons that I did have with this unit, she didn't shed, but she did tangle up, and baby, after a while, it's going to get frustrating. So make sure you are having a paddle brush. The longevity with this unit, I will give her 2 to 3 weeks as well, especially if you take her off at night, especially if you put her back in her original packaging and you kind of just let her settle. Now, as far as actually purchasing her, the only online beauty supply store that is carrying her to get her pre-ordered is Sam's Beauty. So I will link their TikTok shop on where you can pre-order this unit, because if you go on Sam's Beauty's website, you won't be able to find this wig at all. So by January 13th, they should have these units in stock either next week or in the following weeks after the 13th. Outre did bump into some snags during production, so that is why this wig has been getting pushed back. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Outre for sending me this unit to review for you guys. So hopefully you are watching this review before you actually go buy. So let me know in the comment section how you guys are feeling this unit. Are you thinking about picking her up? How do you feel about the widow's peak, the already pre-shaped widow's peak hairline? Are you feeling it? Do you like it? If you like this video, make sure you are giving me a big thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, make sure you are pressing that subscribe button if you want to stick around and watch more reviews. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.